because we walk into a situation dealing with equipment of unknown condition with unknown issues. And at the end of our process, we will return that equipment to its pre-loss condition. And it's important to drill down that when we say pre-loss condition, that means that not only will the equipment look the same and smell the same, but it's going to operate the same. And even going one step further, if the insured had a service contract or maintenance agreement on that equipment, we're going to ensure that that equipment is back to its pre-loss condition and all those agreements are back in place. So we truly do work to verify that everything is at its pre-loss condition. And oftentimes we bring in vendors and bring in experts to help us with that process, because it is a big process, especially when you think about all the different types of equipment that we deal with on a regular basis.
Yeah, that sounds, well, that is wildly more thorough than I thought I thought I was going to get for an answer, which is fantastic. And I assumed it was a little bit more in depth than a bottle of Windex and a couple wet wipes, out there. I'm assuming, Mikey, you're not going out and doing this cleaning, or that's not part of the engineering side of things, correct?
Correct. Yeah, we will work with our restoration department and with outside vendors, depending on the type of equipment, the nature and extent of the damages, and identify the most appropriate route. Depending on many factors, whether that's how soon it needs to be back in place, the location of it geographically, if it is under a service contract and we need to work within certain limitations because of that.
But I mean, Chris, you're right with what you're saying, where the engineers are out there doing evaluations of equipment. We've got a team of engineers throughout the United States made up of many, many different types of disciplines, primarily in the electrical engineering space, but we've got aerospace engineers, we've got different types of engineers, and we're all out there evaluating damages, evaluating losses for our clients, and really helping them to resolve the technology part of the claim, no matter what the loss is and no matter what the type of equipment is.